I'm going to show you how to build a complete YouTube sales funnel in 7 days. Not theory, not concepts, the actual funnel. By day 7, you'll have a video that feeds into a landing page connected to an email sequence leading to your offer. And it can start generating leads and sales as soon as you publish it. No guessing, no overwhelm, just a clear 7-day plan. I'm Nick and I help businesses turn YouTube into their #1 sales channel. And I've built dozens of these funnels for myself and for my clients. Here's what you're going to build over the next 7 days. Day 1, we're going to pick your offer and identify the problem it solves. Day 2, we're going to plan your video topic and script outline. Day 3, we're going to write the full video script. Day 4, we're going to record and edit your video. Day 5, we're going to create your landing page. Day 6, we're going to write your email sequence. Day 7, we're going to set up the tracking and publish everything. 1 week, 1 funnel, fully operational. And the best part, you only need to do this once to start seeing results. This funnel will work for you 24/7, even when you're not creating content. All right, let's break down each day. Day 1 is about clarity. You need to answer 2 questions. Question 1, what are you selling? What's the one thing that this funnel will sell? Not everything you offer, just one thing. Is it a coaching package, a course, a software trial, consulting, or a strategy call that leads to your service? Pick one and write it down. For example, 90-day YouTube coaching program, $3,000. Question 2, what problem does it solve? What specific painful problem does your offer solve? Not a vague problem, a specific one. Like this is an example of a bad offer. Helps businesses grow. A good offer says, helps B2B consultants get their first high-ticket client. Here's another bad example. YouTube strategy. Here's a good one. Turn YouTube views into book sales calls. The more exact you can be, the better, because your video is going to be about that problem. That's what attracts the right people. Right, day 1 homework. Write down the exact offer you're selling, the exact problem it solves, and who has this problem. Be very narrow. That's it. Day 1 done. Don't overthink this. You can always build more funnels later. Just pick one offer and one problem for this funnel. Day 2, you're planning your video. Not scripting it yet, just planning. Step 1, choose your video topic. Your video topic should be your problem you identified on day 1. If your offer solves how to get high-ticket clients, your video might be why you're not getting high-ticket clients and how to fix it. The 3 mistakes that repel high-ticket clients. How to position yourself to attract 10K a month clients. See how each of these is about the problem. That's what attracts qualified viewers. Step number 2, create your script outline. Don't write the full script yet, just the outline. Here's the structure. So in the hook, the first 15 seconds, state the problem or promise the solution. Right, in the intro, about 45 seconds, who you are, why you can help, and now we get into the problem. Agitate the problem and make them feel understood. The solution. Teach your method in 3 to 5 clear steps. Give real value and don't hold back. The call to action. Tell them exactly what to do next. Get my free guide, book a call, etc. Then close the video with a one-liner that reinforces the message. Right, here's your day 2 homework. Write down your video title, your script outline, just bullet points for each section, and your call to action, what you will ask them to do. You should have a 1-page outline by the end of day 2. That's it. Don't write the full script yet. Right, day 3, script writing day. Now take your outline from day 2 and flesh it out into the full script. Here's the writing process. Start with your outline from day 2. For each section, expand upon the bullet points into full sentences. Write like you talk. Keep it conversational. Use short sentences, short paragraphs. This isn't an essay. Here's some key elements to include. In the hook, make a bold claim or ask a compelling question, such as, if you're not getting high-ticket clients, here's why. In the problem section, list 3 to 5 exact reasons they're stuck. Make them nod along saying yes to that's exactly my situation. And now in the solution section, give your exact framework. Be very specific and use examples. Actually teach something valuable. In the CTA section, be crystal clear about the next steps. Click the link in the description to get my free client acquisition guide. One action, not 5, just 1. Here's some scripting tips. Aim for about 1,800 words. This will be about an 8 to 12 minute video when it's done. Read it out loud as you write. If it sounds awkward, rewrite it. Use your language, not people or businesses. Include at least 3 CTAs throughout the video, the middle and the end of the video. Your day 3 homework. Write your complete script. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can tweak it when you record it. But by the end of day 3, you should have a full script ready to go. Budget about 2 to 4 hours for this if you're new to scripting. Once you've done it a few times, you can knock these out in less than an hour. Day 4, production day. This is where you actually make the video. So what's your recording setup? You don't need fancy equipment. Here's the minimum you need. You can use your phone's camera or a webcam. Honestly, it's fine. Decent lighting, so face a window or buy a cheap $30 light. Be in a quiet room, close the door, turn off all the fans or air conditioning. Get yourself a cheap little mic or use the phone's mic. The audio matters more than the actual video quality. That's it. You don't need a studio. So here's some recording tips. Put your script on a second screen or a tablet near the computer. Read it naturally. Don't memorize it word for word. If you mess up, just pause and restart that section. Record in short chunks, easier to edit. Aim to finish recording in 1 to 2 hours max. Here's some basic editing tricks. Keep it simple. Cut out all the long pauses and major mistakes. Add your CTA text on screen when you say it. Maybe add some B-roll or screen recordings if it's relevant. Export the video in 1080p. Don't spend 8 hours editing. Spend 1 to 2 hours max. Done is better than perfect. Use whatever you already have. You can use iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut. I personally use CapCut because it's free and it's easy to use. Day 4, homework. By the end of day 4, you should have a finished video file ready to upload. Don't upload it yet. We're launching everything together on day 7, but the video should be done. Day 5, build your landing page. This is where people go when they click the video link. What type of landing page to build? You have 2 options. Option 1, a lead magnet page. Offers a free guide, checklist, template in exchange for their email. Use this if you're selling something expensive, over $1,000, because you need to warm people up first. Option 2, the direct offer page. It presents your offer and lets them buy or book a call immediately. Use this if you're selling a lower ticket under $1,000 or if you want direct bookings. For most businesses, option 1 works better. What goes on the page? You need a headline. Promise the outcome they'll get, such as, get my free guide, how to land your first 10K client in 30 days. The subheadline, elaborate slightly on the promise. Next, you want to put bullet points, 3 to 5 benefits of the lead magnet or offer. You'll learn how to blah, blah, blah. Next, you want to put your call to action, a big button with clear copy. Get instant access or download now or book a call. Social proof is optional but very powerful. You can put something like join 10,000 business owners or testimonials quotes, but only if you have them, don't fake them. That's it. Keep it simple, 1 page, 1 goal. What tools should you use? I personally use WordPress for landing pages, Stripes for payments, and Trace Revenue for tracking. Your day 5 homework. Build your landing page. Have it live by the end of the day. Test that the form works. Make sure emails go to the right place. Budget 2 to 3 hours for this if you're building it from scratch. Done is better than perfect. Remember that. Day 6, write your email sequence. This is what happens after someone gives you their email. How many emails should you have? Well, for your first funnel, write at least 5 to 7 emails and they'll go out over 7 to 10 days. That's enough to build trust and present your offer. Here's the email sequence structure. Email 1, you send that straight away. You welcome them and deliver what you promised, the lead magnet. You build a little rapport, but don't pitch yet. Email 2 sent on day 2. Share a quick win or valuable tip related to the problem. Still no pitching, just value. Email 3 on day 3. Tell a story or share a case study showing your method works. Plant seeds about your offer, but don't pitch it yet. Email 4 on day 5. Address the biggest objections they have. You might think X, but here's the truth. Explain the objection. Email 5 on day 7. Present your offer clearly. What it is, what they get, and how much it costs, and how to book or buy it. Right. Email 6 on day 9. This is optional. Handle other objections or add urgency. Only 3 spots left, or closes on Friday. Email 7, which is on day 10, but is optional. This is the final reminder. Last chance to act. Here's some email writing tips. Write like you're emailing a friend. Keep them very short, about 400 words max. 1 topic per email, and always end with a small call to action, even if it's just a reply button. Your day 6 homework. Write all the 7 emails. Load them into your email software, whatever one you use. Set them up automatically to send them out when someone joins your list. Budget about 3 to 4 hours for doing this. By the end of day 6, your entire email sequence should be written and scheduled. Day 7, launch day. Everything comes together. Step 1, set up tracking. You need to track which video is sending people to your funnel. You've got a few options. Option 1, use trace revenue. It's a shameless plug because it's what I've built and what I use. You can create trackable links for each video. You put them in your description and you track every click, lead, and sale back to the video. Option 2, you can use other tracking software, but it's very hit and miss. Some work better than others and the cost can get pretty high. So do your research, but you can use trace revenue if you want to use my software. But it's up to you. Either way, you must track your clicks, otherwise you're just guessing. Step 2, upload your video to YouTube. Add your title, the one that you planned on day 2. In the description, in the first 2 lines, you need a little quick summary of what your video is about. Then you put your link with a CTA. I will show you how to with the outcome and then your link. Get my free guide here, link. In the rest of the description, you can put timestamps or links to other videos, but that's up to you. I don't generally do that. I just have one thing. Keep it simple, high contrast, readable text. Step 3, double check everything. The landing page is live, the email sequence is activated, the tracking links work, the video description has the link. Now step 4, publish it. Hit publish. Your funnel is now live. Your day 7 homework. Publish everything, share the video, then watch what happens. Check your tracking. See who clicks. See who opts in. In the first 48 hours, you'll learn, is the hook working? Watch time. Is the CTA working? Click-through rate. Is the landing page working? The opt-in rate. Take notes and optimize later. But for now, you're done. You built a complete funnel in 7 days. All right, your funnel is now live. Now what? So weeks 1 to 2, you're just watching and monitoring. Watch the data, see what's working. Here's some key metrics to look out for. Have a look at the views on the video. Have a look at the click-through rate. Aim for about 5 to 10%. Opt-in rate on the landing page, you got to aim for about 30 to 50%. Email open rates, aim for 30 to 40% open rates. Don't change anything yet, just observe what's happening. Now in week 3 to 4, you want to start optimizing. Now you can start tweaking. If the views are low, change the title or thumbnail. If the CTR is low, strengthen your CTA in the video. If opt-ins are low, simplify your landing page. If email open rates are low, test new subject lines and make small tweaks, one at a time. So after month 2, you can start to scale. Once your funnel is converting, make more videos that feed into it. You don't need a new funnel for every video. Make 3 to 5 videos about the same topic, about the same problem. All lead into the same landing page. Now you have multiple entry points into the same funnel. That's how you scale. The long game. This one funnel can generate leads and sales for years. I have funnels from 2 years ago that are still bringing in revenue every week because the video ranks in search. People find it, they click on the link, join the email list, and then they buy the offer. All while I'm sleeping. That's the power of a YouTube sales funnel. All right, here's what to do next. If you want the complete templates for every step of this process, the script templates, the email templates, the landing copy templates, I have a free 30-day email course. It includes everything you need to build your funnel without starting from scratch. The link's in the description down below. And once your funnel is live, you can use Trace Revenue to track which videos are actually driving sales. You'll see exactly which videos convert, which emails work, and where to optimize. The link's also down below. Look, most people never build their funnel. They just keep posting random videos and hoping something works. You're not doing that. You're building a real system. 7 days, that's all it takes. Stop overthinking it, start building it, and I'll see you in the next video.